Good morning, Sunday. I hope you had a lovely Christmas, Boxing Day, spending with your friends and family. I certainly enjoyed my day off, my Christmas day off, my Boxing Day day off. Oh my days, today it is freezing. I went out and I feel like really cold, right? Look, I'm wearing my PJ and I'm still wearing a heat tech underneath. OMG, why is it so cold? Um, I love to keep my heating on for 24 hours, but I can't because that will cost me an arm and a leg. So I have to just put it on a timer, right? So guys, wow, this is quite a long break for me. I need to get back on track, right? I've been absolutely lazy, which is, I think I deserved it. I've been working extremely hard this year. I hardly had any break because of so many reasons. And which I'm not complaining. Don't get me wrong. I am not complaining. I love my work. I love going to work. And then because because you're so, it's been like, well, 5 days pretty much. I didn't go to work. It feels weird, but at the same time, I'm loving it. I need to get back on track. I've been lying in bed, waking up really, really late. Every day, so I didn't manage to do a video yesterday. I thought, let me give it like a break with you guys. From me to me, from me to me, what's wrong with me? And I thought like, oh, I need to get back on track, right? So today, not quite back on track, I will be back on track. I will do some filming of what I've got for Christmas on my YouTube channel. Do check me out on the YouTube channel and like and subscribe. And then I'm gonna be meeting up with one of my friends just for a quick cup of tea. Remember a few weeks ago, I meant to meet up with her, but then I have to cancel because I have other bits and pieces that kind of like I have to reprioritize the priority. So yeah, guys, what is your itinerary now that the Christmas is over, Boxing Day is over? So I guess the next one to be, we'll need to check out is the New Year. So yeah, that's another preparation, but that would be an easy one, isn't it? So guys, whatever you do, remember, keep smiling and bye for now. Bye guys. Don't forget